Dear friends, in this session we are going to see about how to calculate arithmetic mean and a discrete series using step deviation method. So the formula for calculating step deviation method is x bar equal to a plus c into summation f d dash divided by n, where d dash equal to x minus a divided by c. C is the common difference. Okay, so we shall see a sum under this method. So this is the sum given. So x values are given like middle income. So it is given in rupees. And the second column is what? F values, that is the number of frequencies of x, right? So and C is the common difference. This common difference is arising out. So how the difference is between the first and second value of x values. Say for example, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 8 is 2, then 12 minus 10 is 2. So all the differences is what? 2. So that is why the common difference is 2. And here next we need to calculate how d equal to x minus a. Okay, so here I am fixing the common difference, the fixing a is what? 12. So that is assumed value, a equal to assumed value, a equal to 12 I am fixing. So here 6 minus 12 is what? Minus 6. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. 10 minus 12 is minus 2. 0 next. 14 minus 12 is 2. 16 minus 12 4. 18 minus 12 is 6. Okay. Then next we need to find the d dash. D dash. So the formula for d dash is d divided by c. D divided by c. So the common difference is 2 here, as we saw already. So that is the difference between these x values. So here d is what? D values are given here. So d dash is minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3. So minus 4 divided by this common difference 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. Next is 0. 2 by 2 1. 4 by 2 2. Then 6 by 2 is what? 3. Then next column we need to find f into d dash. F into d dash is, so we need to multiply f values with d dash values. So 21 into minus 3 is what? Minus 63. Then 55 into minus 2 minus 110. So likewise we need to calculate all the values. So next is what? Minus 124. Next is 0. Then 136 into 1, 136. So next is 73 into 2, 146. For the next one, 11 into 3 is 33. 33. So the total of this summation f d dash equal to 18. Okay. So now we shall apply it in the formula. The formula is x bar equal to a plus c into summation f d dash divided by n. Okay. So a is what? 12 we fix, plus c is 2 into summation f d dash is 18. We got 18. So into 18 divided by n is what? 600. So n, how we can calculate? The summation of n. Okay, summation of n values. So that is what? 600. So x bar equal to 12 plus 36 divided by 600. So we will be getting x bar equal to 12 plus 0.06. So we will get x bar equal to 12.06. Thank you.